Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. As you all know, I usually prefer to make small batches of my creams and serums. My cream got over yesterday, so today I'm making a fresh batch. This time, I'm making a very nourishing coconut milk and flaxseed face serum. I have already made it twice and just love it. For that, first I'm extracting coconut milk by pouring hot water over the grated coconut. You can also grind and extract the coconut milk too. Now pour the extracted coconut milk in a pot. Add in 2 tablespoons of flax seeds to it. Reduce the flame to low so the mixture gently simmers. If you boil in high flame, the coconut milk will split. Make sure to stir often and it will slowly start to gel. This recipe will take longer than usual as we are doing it in a very low flame. Once it gels and thickens like this, remove from the fire. Now pour it over a thin white cotton cloth and squeeze to get flaxseed coconut milk serum. To the extracted serum, add 1/4 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Now mix well. This serum smells almost like virgin coconut oil. This serum will last well for 4 to 5 days in the fridge. Once mixed well, pour it in a bottle and store it in the fridge immediately. This is a very nourishing serum that will help hydrate and nourish even the most dry and damaged skin. This is suitable for all skin types. But if you have oily skin, skip the vegetable glycerin and you can use the serum any time of the day. Regular use will give a radiant glow to the skin. I have some coconut milk left over after making the serum, so I thought I'll make a tasty drink out of it and take it to my husband who's out in the farm. For that, wash a carrot and peel the outer skin. Now cut into small pieces. Add in 4 dates too. Now take them in a mortar and pestle. Add in the coconut milk too. Now pound well. Once pounded well, take it in a strainer and strain to get a smooth juice. This is a wonderful skin glow juice that will give a nice glow to the skin if consumed regularly. It tastes wonderful and is good for hair growth too. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.